G'day collectors, welcome back here to the office. We've got something special for you this time. Around about this time every year we have the Diecast Model Expo, and yes, we will be attending, and yes, we have some models for you, both Diecast Model Expo Exclusives and our own exclusive editions as well. These are the ones that we've just had arrive. Let's jump in and have a bit of a look. So there you have our little offerings for the Diecast Model Expo. Let's jump in and have a bit of a detailed look. We'll do the Diecast Model Expo exclusive cars first, and then we'll do our ones after that. Let's jump in. So here we have the Diecast Model Expo exclusive cars. We've got the 1/64th scale Camaro as driven by David Reynolds, which is the Tradie car, and obviously the 1/18th scale Penrite car, the Indigenous livery as driven at the better Darwin Triple Crown by Matt Payne. I have to say this is probably the prettiest Penrite car we've ever done. I think it looks amazing, like the level of detail in not only the actual artwork but the skill that's gone into actually getting this onto the car. I think the factory have absolutely excelled themselves on this one. This is a burster. These will be released exclusively at the Diecast Model Expo, so make sure you're there to get these. They are a really good set of cars. We've got some other little offerings as well, so we'll go and have a look at those next, shall we? Okay, so they were the Diecast Model Expo exclusives, exclusively for the Diecast Model Expo. These are our exclusive editions, slightly different, but kind of still same. And obviously we've got another David Reynolds car, but this is the 2025 car, the Tradie car, and the 2024 Gold Coast 500 winner, as driven by Brodie Kostecki. Comes with a little surfboard as well, so when you win Gold Coast 500 you get a winning surfboard, so you get one of those in the kit. You might also get a little something extra if you keep your eye out. So we will be selling these at the expo on site, so you can come in and meet us and grab one of these cars if that's what you want to do. I definitely recommend them. This car looks bloody mint as well. Erebus cars always seem to look pretty cool. We'll be there, so if you've got any questions or you want to come and say g'day, come and find us. Obviously, the expo is over the September weekend of the 19th to the 21st. Be sure to come and see us. Righto, let's wrap this up, shall we? Right, so there you go. That's what we're bringing to sell at the Diecast Model Expo, but also we'll have a whole bunch of new samples for you all to have a look at, a whole bunch of other bits and pieces going on. We've got guest signings with David Reynolds and Matt Payne. We're also doing a Role Models podcast at the event as well. There's a whole bunch of other stuff kicking off, so be sure to come and see us. It's going to be an absolute bonanza. Don't forget, 19th to 21st. Make sure you're there, and I guess we'll see you there. Take it easy.